This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 11, chapter 32, statistics. Exercise is 32.4. So, as we are doing this 32.4, let me tell you all the questions are NCERT question only. So, the important thing here is question number 8. Already we have done a question like that. What is being given is a mean and standard deviation of 100 observation. So mean is 40 and standard deviation, which is sigma, is given as 5.1. Now, one more thing is given is the observation is of course 100 given. One more thing is that the student who took by mistake 50 instead of 40 for one observation. So in this 100 observation, one of the observation was taken wrong. That is, it has to be 40, but by mistake, it was taken as 50. So 50 was taken as 40. It's actually 40. So this is the scenario here. And then correct mean and standard deviation is sought, is asked in this question. So how do we go about this? First thing, let me just reiterate. N is 100, mean is 40, sigma, which is standard deviation, is 51. Now what is the formula of mean? X bar is sigma xi by n. Now I equals 1 to n, I'm not writing again. Just remember, whenever I'm writing sigma, that is from I equals 1 to n. So sigma xi by n, sigma x by n basically. So this x bar is already given, which is 40. You can just write it 40 here. And then we have this n, which is equal to 100. So now you can get this sigma xi, which is equal to 4000, right? So this is the incorrect one. When you want to correct it, so what do you do? You will subtract 50 because it was a mistake and 40 was correct. So now sigma x corrected, I'm writing 4000. The problem was 50, so let us remove 50 and now add 40, which is the correct one. So the number of observation is not changing, only the value incorrect we are deleting and new we are adding. So what is sigma x corrected? So now corrected mean will be what? It will be sigma xi corrected divided by n doesn't change. Now sigma x corrected is 3990. So 3990 divided by how much is there? 100. Divided by 100 is going to be a corrected mean. Okay, so 100, n doesn't change. So the corrected mean is 39.9. This is the corrected one. Now let's go to the variance and standard deviation. This we are going to use, this xc bar we are going to use. Now sigma is 5.1. Sigma square will be what? 5.1 whole square, which is variance only. Variance is sigma square, sigma is standard deviation. Now variance formula, in the whole exercise, I told you that we are going to use this one. This is sigma xi whole square. 1 to n is already there. Minus sigma, this x bar whole square equals variance. This is the formula we have been using time and again. So this 5.1 whole square, so it's 26.01 is the variance, sigma square. Sigma is given 5.1, variance will be sigma square. So this is 26.01 sigma whole square by n. This we don't know. Sigma xi whole square we don't know. We know the n 100 and this x bar. This we have to use the previous one because this is the incorrect one. Correction will do it just now. Because until unless we get sigma xi corrected one, we cannot have a variance. So 40 original one we are using. So sigma xi whole square will be what? 26.01 plus 40 square multiplied by 100. So just add this and multiply by 100. You will get sigma xi whole square, and which is directly I am writing. It's 162,601. So this is the square of sum of square of all the 100 observation. But now you need corrected one. How to get the corrected one? For that, the sigma xi square is basically the square of sum of square of each element. So this is the total sum, but we know that 50 was wrong and 40 is correct. So you have to subtract 50 square. You have to subtract 50 square and then you have to add 40 square. So this will be your corrected sum of all the elements, sigma xi whole square, corrected one. So this will be 161701. Now again we are applying this formula. Now all the values we are going to put is the corrected we are going to put, and variance we are going to get corrected one, right? So variance will be what? Variance corrected we are going to find out. Sigma xi whole square by n. Sigma xi corrected one is 161701. What is n? N doesn't change. It's 100 only, divided by 100 minus x bar whole square. So I all told you I will use the corrected one. So 39.9 whole square I'm going to write. So when you solve it, you are going to get the variance, which is corrected one, which is 25. And what about standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of this one, under root of 25. So the corrected standard deviation is 5. So the correct mean is 39.9. The correct sigma standard deviation is 5. Question is question number 9. So here also the 8th one, 4th one we have already taken. So the mean and standard deviation of 20 observation. So observation is given 20. The mean is given as 10 x bar, which is, and standard deviation is 2 here. On rechecking, it was found that an observation 8 was incorrect. So 8 was incorrect. Calculate the correct mean and standard deviation in each of the following cases. So 2 cases are there. The first case is if the wrong number is omitted. Means 8, whichever was the mistake, we will just ignore it. We will ignore it. The observation will be 19 then. We'll ignore this, or we'll remove this 8. Second one is if we replace 8 by 12. 8 is the incorrect one and 12 is the correct one. So x bar we know. What is sigma x by n? Sigma xi by n. So sigma xi is given as, this sigma xi is not known, so we put x bar as 10, n is 20, sigma xi is 200. This we know, the sum of the element. Now what we'll do here? First we'll take the second part. It is if it is replaced by 12. Let us take the second part first. So sigma xi corrected will be what? 200. We will just remove 8 because 8 was the mistake. So we will replace by 8 and add 12. I am taking the second part first. So 200 minus 8 plus 12, this will be 204. This is your corrected mean. X bar corrected is 204. Sigma xi. So sigma xi corrected is 204. Now what is x bar corrected? Sigma xi by n. Okay, formula will be same. So 204 is the new sum, and n will be 20 because we subtracted 8 and added 12. So n also didn't change. So you see this is 10.2. So now what we have to do is, this formula you have to remember every time when you do a question like this, that some mistake was there and we have to correct it. So let me write the formula here, and then, or I'll just show you here. It's sigma xi whole square by n minus sigma, or you can say x bar whole square equals your variance. Now variance, sigma is 2. So sigma square is your variance. So when the standard deviation is given, you just square it and that will be equal to your variance. So you can put sigma square, which is 2 square, which is 4. So now 4 can be put in place of variance. And now since we have the corrected x bar mean, we can find out the sigma xi whole square, the original one. So here variance 4, x bar you have to take the original one. Please, this is not corrected one, this is old one, because we need old sigma xi whole square. So sigma xi whole square by 20. So now sigma xi whole square will come 4 plus 10 square, 100 plus 4 is 104, then multiplied by 20, that is 2080 will come. So the old sigma xi square, that is sum of all the elements squared, is equal to 2080. Now you have to do this 8 you have to subtract and 8, 12 you have to add. I'm taking the second part first. So sigma xi square corrected we are going to find out. So 2080 is already there. And we have to subtract 8. 2080 is the sum of all the elements squared. But 8 was the problem or mistake. We subtract 8 square and we add 12 square. This is 2160. Now we'll again apply the same formula in order to get the variance. But now here we are going to put the corrected values. So this is sigma xi whole square by 20. So this is sigma xi whole square by 20. So 2160 by 20. This is 20 minus. Now corrected you have to use. What was the corrected one? If you remember, it was 10.2. If you remember, the correct one was what? X bar corrected we have already found out. So x bar corrected will be sigma xi corrected divided by n. Sigma xi corrected by 204 and we already computed 220 which was already there. So it was already computed as 10.2. So you can just put 10.2 or 204 by 20. So now same thing I am doing but with the corrected one. So variance corrected will be what? It's coming as whatever value is coming, the 1584 by 400 it is going to come. And you can take the sigma taking the under root of 1584 by 400. 1.9899 will come. Okay. So this already we have done a type of. Now I'll take the first part. If wrong item is emitted. So let us see how to do that. Now let us take the first part. Second we have already seen if it is replaced by 12. Now we are saying if wrong item is omitted, that is 8 we have to omit. We have to remove altogether. So we have to find out the correct ones. Correct mean and standard deviation. So what we will do here, corrected means is what? We know that sigma xi by n is x bar, this is mean, okay. So we have already this 200, so 200, this 200 was already there, sigma xi. Corrected, how do you do? Previous part we have subtracted 8, added 12. But here, what we'll do, this sigma xi has come from mean into n only. That is 10 into 20, if you remember. So 200 has come. So 200 was the actual one. But now this part is saying, first part is wrong item is omitted. Just remove it. Sigma xi, that is 200. Just remove 8 from here. You don't need to add anything. 8 has to be removed. So this is the corrected sigma xi. So sigma xi corrected is what? 192. So x bar corrected is what? Sigma xi by n. This is corrected. Sigma xi corrected by n, which is 192 divided by. Now n is what? You have removed an observation. N was 20. Now you removed it. 1. So you have 19 now. N is now 19. So this x sigma xi whole square. If you remember sigma xi whole square, we have already computed it. It was 2080. Now this 2080 was the actual formula we used. But 2080 was there. But now here we have to corrected one. So you have to remove 8 square. Take 2080. Remove 8 square from here. So what do you get? This is sigma x square only. You have to say remove 8 square. So 2080 minus 64, that is going to be 2016. So what is the variance formula? This formula we have been using again and again. Sigma xi whole square by n minus x bar whole square. And this is corrected one. So sigma xi whole square is what? This is the value 2016 divided by n is 1 is removed because 1 we have omitted. So divide by 19 minus x bar is what? This is 192 divided by 19 whole square. So this is going to be variance. This computation is in front of you, this computation, and then take whatever value should come, you just take the under root. So 1440 by 19 square, it is going to be variance. Standard deviation is under root of 1440 by 19 square, and that is going to be standard deviation 1.997. This is your standard deviation. So corrected means already 192 by 19. So this is your corrected mean. 192 by 19 is corrected mean. I hope you will be able to do this. Next one is the mean and standard deviation of a group of 100 observation were found to be 20 and 30 respectively. Okay, so n is 100, mean is 20 x bar, and standard deviation sigma is 3. Later on, it was found that 3 observations were incorrect. So 21, and this 18 is wrong. So we have to omit it altogether, like the first part of the previous question. So x bar is what? Sigma xi by n. Sigma xi, x bar is known, 20, and is also known, 100. So sigma xi can be computed. It's simply 20 into 100, that is the sum of all the values observation is your 220 into 100 is 2000. So now you have to remove all this, 21, 21, 18. So sigma xi corrected will be what? 2000, subtract 21, then 18. So you will get 1940. So corrected x bar will be what? 1940 divided by the n value. But you have removed 3 values, so it has to be n minus 3. So 1940 divided by n minus 3, that is going to be 97. 100 minus 3, 97. So this will come as 20. This is corrected x bar. Now coming to the second part, this sigma is already known, 3, sigma square is 9, which is variance only. So variance is 9. Let us apply the variance formula. So variance is what here? Variance is, I am using this formula. We already discussed this formula. So this is going to be sigma xi whole square by n. This is original one. Sigma x square by 100 is, we don't know, 100 is known, minus the previous x bar 20 whole square equals 9. So 9 plus 20 square into 100, that is going to be sigma xi whole square. This was the original one, sigma xi whole square, original one. So 4090, this 40900 has come. Now these 3 numbers we have to subtract. So now corrected, I am trying to find out. Corrected is 40900. Now you subtract this 21 square, then 21 square, then 18 square. You have to subtract. So we have subtracted 3 values from here, square of this value. So what do you get from here? This is, you are going to get 39694. So this is the corrected sum of square of value, 39694. So we'll apply now the same formula for the, and we'll put the corrected values. So variance will be sigma xi whole square, corrected one, 39694 divided by this n, because n minus 3 we have already removed, 97 will be there. This, and minus x bar whole square, corrected mean we have already found out, that was 20. So take it 20 whole square. So this variance will be 9.216. Sigma is simply the under root of 9.216, and that's going to be 3.0357. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, this is all about this exercise. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.